Look up at an old oak, tons of solid wood, standing where a single seed once fell. It didn't haul all that weight up out of the ground. Almost all of it came from thin air and sunlight. Inside every green leaf, something quiet is turning light into living matter, the process that feeds nearly everything alive, and it goes deeper than a leaf simply soaking up a little sun. It begins with one plain idea. A plant makes its own food. Animals eat. Plants don't. They build their food from scratch. Give a plant sunlight, air, and water, and it has everything it needs to grow. The green in a leaf is a pigment called chlorophyll, and its whole job is to catch sunlight. That captured light is the energy that powers everything that comes next. With that energy, the leaf pulls in carbon dioxide from the air and water from the roots and rearranges them into sugar, glucose, the food the plant lives on. What's left over, it breathes out as oxygen. So look closer at where inside the leaf this actually happens. Packed into the leaf's cells are tiny green factories called chloroplasts, the exact place photosynthesis runs. Each one is stacked with chlorophyll, waiting for the light. The work comes in two stages. First, the light reactions. Sunlight strikes the chlorophyll and splits water apart. That's where the oxygen is set free, while the light's energy is packed away in chemical form. Then the second stage, the Calvin cycle. No light needed here. It takes that stored energy and the carbon dioxide from the air and assembles them, one carbon at a time, into glucose. Step back, and that same quiet leaf is running 1/2 of the whole planet's breathing. Written as one balanced equation, 6 CO2 plus 6 waters powered by light become 1 glucose and 6 O2. Photosynthesis pulls carbon out of the air and locks it into living matter and hands the oxygen back to the sky. Which is very nearly what breathing undoes. Every animal, and the plant itself, burns that glucose with oxygen to release its energy and breathes the carbon dioxide back out. One process stores the sun's energy, the other spends it. Together, they close the loop. So the oak was telling the truth. It built itself from air and light, from one green leaf on a branch to the cycle that keeps the whole sky full of oxygen, the slow, silent chemistry that feeds the living world.